Hey there, welcome to Share Check. This is Raj here. Friends, today I want to talk to you about Celcius Holdings. I've been watching this stock for a while. It's more of a beverages kind of company. And if you look at the stock portfolio out here, stock profile out here, and let me take a measuring widget and measure from top to where we are right now. So we are down 43.99%. This comes after a much larger drop. The drop initially went all the way from there. It was more than a 74%, almost 80 or 90% drop. As you can see, it went all the way up to 21.19. So it was a nasty drop. It was all on the back of really bad earnings. I think the market already got an idea that future earnings are going to be bad. You see, the stock had already dropped significantly before the bad earnings started coming in. Now, similarly, before earnings come in, we are seeing an improvement in the sentiment. So the question now is there someone in the market who knows what's going to happen and is starting to buy, like they started to sell even before the bad news came in? That's quite a possibility because it has happened once. Otherwise, it's difficult to explain why this drop was so significant. So having said that, now let us look at what is happening out here. The last earnings we had showed an earnings drop of 198.89. This was underperformance by around 198.89%. Very nasty underperformance. However, revenue was higher and the stock got punished. There was a huge gap down and then we went down. And in response, what the management has said basically is that they want to come up with a new idea of increasingly using brand synergies as a core building block to support long-term scale as the company brings together Celcius, Alani Nu, and Rockstar Energy under a more unified operating structure. That's what they said on their third quarter 2025 earnings call. And the management emphasized that the focus is not just on expanding the portfolio, but on making the brands work better together across distribution, marketing, and retail execution. The company also gave hints that ideas and learnings from one brand are increasingly being used across the portfolio. Insight from the core Celcius brand, along with Alani Nu's strong performance with limited time flavors and consumer engagements, seem to be helping shape decisions across other brands. At the same time, Rockstar Energy is being brought into the same sales and operating structure with a focus on stabilizing the brand while taking advantage of shared resources. So on the operations side, they have already said that Celsius Holding is starting to benefit from moving larger volumes through the same sourcing, logistics, and planning system, which would indicate that there is going to be synergies of cost, reducing the cost. And management emphasized that using shared infrastructure helps make integration smoother and more efficient while still allowing each brand to maintain its positioning and appeal to consumers. I'm thinking that probably some people already know that this strategy is starting to work. The expectations is that earnings would be 0.191 and revenue would be 639.69 million. So the people who are buying right now are expecting that there will be gains to be had. If you look at the market sentiment, it's absolutely bullish. MACD is also bullish. Momentum is above average. It's gone above the RSI 70% rating, but I think it still has room to go all the way up to 89.76, where it has bounced back down in the past. So I'm thinking that there's a good probability that we could go further higher on the RSI without having to take a break. Now, if you look at the structure out here, let me just recalibrate the chart and have a look at the structure from close quarters. Just give me 1 second. We need to do this with Trading View platform. So here is a bull flag, a breakout. Another bull flag, a breakout. Another bull flag, a breakout. And right now, this is the flag pattern which we have broken out of. So let me put an intermediate target out here. I would say that if we look at this, then I think the breakout happened out here. So we should have a target of around 57.09. Now, if I was to drag this line further, you would see that we are already broken above that. Now, on Monday, if we confirm about this at the close of the day, then I think we are more or less sure to reach a target of 57.28 because there was a huge gap down. The gap down ends at 56.97 and our target here is 57.47. So at the very least, we should go at least up to somewhere around 57.03. That's my opinion. I would like to hear from you guys what you think about this. So this is what I have about Celcius holding. I have to confess I don't have this in my portfolio, and I'm not going to be taking the risk of buying this. Again, let me remind you, this is amateur technical analysis, and I'm using my ideas out here. You do your own due diligence before you put any money into the market. With that said, my friends, I'd like to look forward to your comments. See you soon. Bye for now.